You're like, well, here's the red flag you should have seen, and this is why you should have hired someone early.
Yeah. Well, obviously dealing with a lot of small businesses and entrepreneurs, they're either first time business people or they just got into business or, they don't know a lot about how to run a business or anything. So they try to, I don't want to say cut corners, but they don't budget for professionals accordingly like they should. So they try to do as much as they can themselves and try to shortcut like the attorney or the accountant or, other professionals. So a lot of what I see are, DIY contracts that they made themselves that they got off the internet, or even worse, they got off of AI, and they're just a disaster. Or on the other hand, the other side was represented by counsel and has a totally beyond one-sided contract that now, you know, my client's like the victim of and has to deal with. So there's a lot of, just bad contracts that I see that are just not, I don't want to say professionally done, but aren't like up to snuff. And then there's a lot of one-sided contracts, particularly for like vendor contracts or commercial leases or thing. Probably commercial leases are probably the most one-sided contracts there are. Where, I just go to the client in a nice way. I'm like, did you get a chance to negotiate this or no, it's take it or leave it. I signed it. And then we have to go fix it from that point, or there's an issue because of one of the onerous terms, or there's an issue because of missing terms because they got it themselves off the internet. So, it's a little bit of, bad contracts that they bring to me, or, one-sided contracts that they bring me that are too good for the other side is a lot of what I deal with.